Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your FIFA mobile account. So in case you want to re-roll your game or start for a new fresh account, you can do it in this game. I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, because previously this game is FIFA mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started. If you want to erase your account, make a fresh start or reroll, you can do it in here. Just tap the setting icon at the top of your screen, scroll down, and this one, advanced setting, account deletion, delete my account. Tap it, and as you can see, you can learn the condition here. Dear user, we would like to remind you that before you delete your account, please ensure that you have to read the following. So the first is deletion of game data in progress, deletion of account balance, including FPS point, coin and gems, and so on. By tapping continue, will permanently delete your FC mobile account and game progress. So please do it carefully and make sure you want to start new fresh account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.